Yes, good afternoon. Today the case study of gear test rig making in the lens. The gear test rig total cost more than 2.5 lakhs. Any students or industry personnel, any research students can spend 2.5 lakhs. Possibility is high, but why we spend 2.5 lakhs for gear testing? It is a waste of money. We can using the design thinking technologies, DT based. We can making a simple mechanism in the lathe. We can conduct the gear test in this lathe. It is a very simple. I am explain. Okay. What is this Kana? What is this? Speak loudly. What is this? Belt. What is this Kana? Pulley. What is this? Safety cover. What is this? Yeah? Check. What check? Three-jaw, four-jaw. Four-jaw. What is this? Yeah? Tool post. Is this a? What is this? Okay, then what is this? Okay. So we do the projects just to be change this tumbler gear mechanisms. We can conduct the gear test. How? So first we suppose the polymer materials, because right now the polymer materials, polymer gears are mostly utilized in the textile areas because no need the lubrication oil for the running purpose. Suppose we apply the lubricant, the thread may be adjusting in the lubricating ends. Avoiding that purpose, they are mostly used with polymer gears. So we conduct the polymer gears for the testing purpose. Just to be removing this gear, we making a different range of gears available in market. Which gear we want? That gear we making in the injection molding first. Okay. First we making the injection molding as per the teeth, and we removing this gears. Okay. We insert this gear also we removing. We insert this type of gears. Insert in between the gears, driving gears and also drive gears. Okay. And we conduct the different type of speed. So 10 Newton, 20 Newton, 40 Newton, 50 Newton. 4 speeds are available. For example, 1 Newton, 2 Newton, 40 Newtons we can apply. And also if we want additionally change the speed, just we change the pulley of motor. This is the pulley. We can change this pulley, giving more powers and more torque. The speed also increases. So 1 Newton to 4 we can conduct. So each speed we apply we calculate the rotations. Maximum RPM 3000. Okay. If we use the maximum RPM, we calculate in the 1 hour how many rotations of gears. And also gear speed also we calculate by using the DFMA for in the RPM counting. Okay. Maybe it's crossing for 1 minute, it gives 3600 RPM per minute. 1 hour what happened? 60 into 3600. What happened? Maybe it's crossed more than 3000. 1 minute it run 3600 RPM. Okay. About 60 minutes what happened? 3000 into 600 watt. Please calculate, or approximately 3600 into 60. 3600 into 60. 1,80,000 in 1 hour. Okay, after 1 hour, we don't remove the gear. we measure the depth of steel. This is a steel by using the depth vernier. So before we should checking the depth of the gear tip. Okay. Then after 1 hour, it's maybe crossed to 1 lakh or 1,20,000 cross. After that, we measure again the depth. Within 1 hour, maybe its chances lead to the wear. Okay. So we take in the that wear rate, depth increases. Again 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours.